Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to practice English conversations at a train station. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi Bob, one ticket to London please.
Certainly, Alice. Here's the schedule.
Platform 4, the train is boarding.
Let's begin.
Hi, one ticket to the city please.
Of course, that'll be $10.
Hi, good morning. I'd like to buy a ticket to Boston please.
Good morning. Sure. Would you like a one-way ticket or a round trip?
A round trip please. I think I'll return on the same day.
All right, let me check the schedule. The next train to Boston leaves at 10:45 a.m. Does that time work for you?
That's a bit early. Is there another train around 11:30?
Yes, there's one at 11:35. Yes, there is one at 11:30, but it's usually a little more crowded.
That's okay. I'll take that one. How long does the trip take?
It's about 2 hours. The travel time is about 2 hours and 45 minutes.
Perfect. And how do I choose a seat?
Just pick one of these icons. Oh, I see. Thanks. You can choose a window seat or an aisle seat. Many people prefer the aisle because it's easier to move around.
I think I'll take the window seat. I enjoy looking outside during the trip.
Of course, enjoy the view. Great choice. The total is $48. Will you pay with cash or card?
Hi, one ticket to the city, please.
Sure, that will be $10.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your ticket and receipt.
Thank you.
The train will depart from platform 4, and boarding begins 15 minutes before departure.
Got it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip.
By the way, do trains usually run on time here?
Yes, they are very punctual. You can count on it.
Are the trains always on time?
Most of the time, yes. However, sometimes weather or track traffic can cause small delays.
I understand. I'm a little nervous because it's my first time taking this train.
Don't worry, you'll be just fine. Don't worry. Just follow the signs, and if you need help, the station staff are always around.
Thank you. That makes me feel much better.
Anytime. Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I'm visiting a friend.
That's wonderful. Safe travels. Boston is beautiful, especially this time of year.
That sounds great. Really? I'm excited. Do you have any tips?
Of course. First, arrive early and enjoy the ride.
What is this icon?
Yes, don't miss the waterfront and the historic downtown area. And if you enjoy coffee, try the small cafes near the station. You should check out the local attractions.
Wow, thank you. I'll definitely check them out.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip.
Excuse me, is this the platform for the Boston train? Yes, it is. The train will arrive in 10 minutes. Is this the right platform? Yes, this is platform 4. Boarding will start in about 10 minutes. Oh, good. I was worried I might be in the wrong place. The signs are confusing. No need to worry. The signs are clear, and you can always ask someone in uniform for help. Thank you. Do you know if there's a cafe nearby?
I'd like to grab a coffee before boarding. Yes, there's one just over there.
Is there somewhere to get coffee? Yes, there's a small stand behind the seating area. They sell coffee, sandwiches, and snacks. Great, thanks. Perfect. I need some energy for the trip. We should get something to eat before the train. That's a good idea. Traveling when you're hungry isn't fun. That's true. How crowded does this train usually get?
It can get very busy, especially during rush hour.
I see. At this time, it's usually moderate. Some people work during the ride, so a few seats fill up quickly. I hope I can get a good window seat. If you board early, you shouldn't have any problem. Just check the signs for your car number. Okay, thank you. I feel a little nervous traveling alone. That's normal. Keep your ticket with you and enjoy the scenery.
You might even meet new people on the train.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel Easy English Daily for more awesome stories. For more updates, click on the bell icon